Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a promo code in the Duolingo app. But before that, let's just open up the application. Here it opens up in the home menu where we have our lessons. From here we go into the top row and tap on the gems. Then we scroll down and at the bottom we find promo code and we can tap on redeem. And here if you have a gift card or gift code or something, we can enter the code here, then tap on apply, and we will have the gift card redeemed. For example, if we receive a free Duolingo premium from one of our friends, we can just enter the code here and redeem it in the app. Then we will have the premium. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.